Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to get attendance from the students in the Google Classroom. Let me go to Google Classroom and I am taking any one of the class from my Google Classroom. I am taking first MSc Computer Science and you will find the home page here, and I am selecting classwork. Just create, go to create. You'll find quiz assignment, quiz, question. Go to question. It will open like this and you just raise the attendance here, or you present. Just question mark, and here you select multiple choice. You'll find two options here. One is yes, another one is no. And if you want to give any instruction to the students while getting the attendance from the student side in the Google Classroom daily basis, you just give the instructions. Here I am not going to include any instructions. So once after asking the attendance from the students, assign all the students, you will find the options here, assign all the students, and we are maintaining a points to everyday attendance. No, for that I am assigning point as 1 and due date. For example, I am getting the attendance for today's, so I have chosen today's date and time. Up to 11:55 we have time to put, or else if you want to change the time you can change it. That is, if you want to limit the time up to 5 o'clock, yes, it is also possible. Up to 5 p.m. they can able to give the attendance. And topic, already I have created topic as attendance, so I am choosing the attendance so that every day whichever the attendance I am posting, everything can be listed under the topic of attendance. So after creating this, just I am choosing the option as, automatically it will be displayed in the attendance topic. Yes, you will find here which I have posted in the attendance list, and students can be able to see the attendance likewise. Here I will find only one student, so I have assigned the attendance for one student. Here you can able to find the attendance I have assigned, because only one student in the classroom, so I assigned one student yet to answer the student. So once I will show the attendance of another class so that we will get the clear idea. I am choosing third year C classroom and going to classwork. Here I can find the attendance, today's attendance. So this is what we are maintaining attendance every day. I am moving to today's attendance. So assign for the total strength of the student, and today 37 students as present, and it's showing yes is 37, and yet to answer 15 students. That means 15 students absent today and 37 students present today. So if I want to see the student name list, just I'm choosing the turn in option. So here we can find the student name, those who are present. So these are the 37 students who present today. And moving to want to see the absentees, moving to assigned yet to answer these students. So 15 students are absent today. So in this way we can maintain the attendance in the Google Classroom. Hope all of you understood how to create attendance in the Google Classroom. Thank you guys.